Yousave Accessories FitBit Charge 2 Silicone Strap BandThis replacement Fitbit Charge 2 wristband from Yousave Accessories is made out of durable silicone, a synthetic material designed to be sweat, dust and water resistant. This means it is ideal to wear even for long periods of time, as it ensures absolute comfort during even the most vigorous workout. Multiple different color options available. In addition to providing exceptional comfort, the replacement Fitbit Charge 2 wristband from Yousave Accessories also comes in a range of different color options. This robust roster of colors enables you to effortlessly differentiate your Fitbit Charge from others, ensuring that your activity tracker doesn't only feel great, but looks great too, ensuring unparalleled comfort as well as a handy way of making your activity tracker stand out. The Fitbit Charge 2 silicone replacement wristband truly is a must-have purchase for anyone who takes their exercise regimen and fashion sense seriously. Do yourself and your body a favor, and purchase this indispensable Charge 2 strap today. Replacement wristband for the Fitbit Charge 2. This silica gel wrist strap is the perfect replacement for the original band of the Fitbit Charge 2 activity tracker. To fit, 5.56.9, small, or 6.08.1, large. The durable silicone strap locks seamlessly into place via a secure stainless steel buckle clasp and quick-release fastening system, ensuring absolute ease of use during operation. The sweat, dust and water-resistant silicone Fitbit Charge 2 band is the ideal wristband to wear whilst exercising, providing absolute comfort even during the most vigorous workout. With a wide variety of different color options available, you're guaranteed to find the Fitbit Charge 2 wristband that appeals to you. Product dimensions: small 2 cm by 23 cm, large 2 cm by 26 cm. To clean, hand wash with mild detergent for best results. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.